Morning everybody. Today we will learn chapter 9. Chapter name is Some Applications of Trigonometric Ratio. First, line of sight. The line of sight is the line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Here this is observer, eye of observer, and this any object. So this line is line of straight line side, and if here this is object and you see this object, so this line is called line of sight. We will also remain this definition of line of sight. Next is here two conditions. If object is here to look and object is lower here to look. So first is the angle of elevation. So definition is the angle formed by line of sight with the horizontal when it is above the horizontal level. Means a line of sight and the horizontal line. This angle is angle of elevation when object it is above the horizontal level. This is level of horizontal, and this is any object. So this object above the horizontal level. In this case, when we raise our head to look at the object, if this is tower, so this is a peak point of tower, you see. So hand is over, and next angle is angle of depression, the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when it below the horizontal level. Yani if the object is here and this is the object and you see, so this object, so and this angle is angle of depression, but in this condition we lower our head to look at the object. Means here it is the below the horizontal level, and means object below the horizontal level. In this chapter we will use only three angles, value of 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Now first question is exercise 9.1. First question is a circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Means here this is the vertical pole and this is rope. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. Here angle is 30 degree. Solve this question. In triangle ABC, Here take the ratio, one side is value given and second we will find the value of side. So this side and this side. So here AB upon AC. This ratio called sine because the side of opposite angle to 30 degree and hypotenuse. So this is sine 30 degree. Imply that what is the value of AB? We will find the value of AB. And what is the AC? AC is 20 meter. And what is the value of 30 degree? Sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Imply that AB is equal to 20 upon 2. Dividing this is 10 meter. Hence height of height of pole is 10 meter. Next question, second question. Second question is here. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bent so that the top of tree touch the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground and the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter, and distance will be between 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. Here let AC is the tree, yet broken the point C. This part touch the point D, make the angle 30 degree, and distance of D to C is 8 meter. Let AC is the original tree. It was the broken into two parts. The broken part BD, here BD is the broken part, and making a 30 degree angle with the ground. In triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, first take the ratio side this and this. So here take ratio side BC upon CD. BC upon CD, this ratio called tan 30 degree, because here this side opposite to angle 30 and this side is the adjacent side of 30 degree. So what is the value of BC? You have no value of BC. BC same to same. What is the DC? Here DC is 8. What is the value of tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Imply that what is the BC? So BC is equal to 8 upon root 3. If you will rationalize the denominator, so value is 8 upon 3 root 3 meter, and this is the value of BC. Now using the other ratio we will find the this part also the part of tree. So this part also find the tree. So take the ratio of this side and this side. So ratio in triangle, and ratio is CD upon BD. This ratio is sine 30 degree, because this side is a, sorry, this is no sine, this is cos, because this is adjacent side to angle 30 and this is side the hypotenuse. So this is, sorry, cos 30 degree. So what is CD? CD is 8. This is BD. Cos 30 degree is root 3 upon 2. So take the cross multiply. 8 into 2 upon root 3 is equal to BD. Here rationalize the denominator. So value is 16 root 3 upon 3. This is equal to BD. The length of tree and also height of tree is height of tree is AC is equal to BC plus BD. What is the BC? BC is 8 root 3 upon 3. 8 root 3 upon 3 plus, what is the BD? BD is 16 root 3 upon 3. Take the LCM is 3. So this is 8 root 3 plus 16 root 3. So sum here 24 root 3 upon 3. Divide this value 8 times. So this is the value height of the tree is 8 root 3 meter. Next question. Third question. Third question is long question. First, a constructor plans to install two slides from the children to play in the park for the children below the age of 5 years. She prefer to have a slide whose top is 8, height of 1.5 meter, and in first part this is, so figure draw this, and the height is 1.5 meter and this is slide, and angle is 30 degree, so angle is 30 degree. And next part is for the elder children, she wants to have a steep side at the height of 3 meter. So this is second part is 3 meter height, and inclined at angle of 60 degree at the ground. then make the angle 60 degree at the ground. This is slide. What should be the slide in each case? Solution. Let it can be observed that AC and P are the slides of younger and elder children. In triangle, in first triangle ABC, we will find the AC here. So take the ratio of two sides here, AB and AC. So AB upon AC, this ratio called is sine 30 degree, because here this is the opposite side of angle 30 and this is the hypotenuse, so this ratio called the sine. What is the AB? AB is a 1.5 meter upon AC is equal to sine 30 is 1 upon 2. So take the cross multiply here. So this is the 3 meter is equal to AC. So AC is equal to 3 meter. This solve the first case, and second case this figure. Now in triangle, here triangle is PQR. So PQR, take the ratio of this side and this side. So ratio is PQ upon PR. This ratio also called sine ratio. This is the sine 60 degree because here angle is 60 degree. So what is the value of PQ? PQ is 3 upon PR. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Cross multiply. So 3 into 2 upon root 3 is equal to PR. Rationalize the value. So 3 into 2 root 3 upon 3, this is cancelled, so PR. That means PR is equal to 2 root 3 meter. Answer. Next question is fourth question. Here fourth question is the angle of elevation of the top of tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Foot of the tower from away, see 30 degree. So find the height of the tower. So find the height of the tower is AB. Let the AB is the tower and the angle elevation is angle C 30 degree in triangle ABC. Take the ratio of this side and this side. So ratio is AB upon BC. AB upon BC. This ratio is 10 30 degree because this is the opposite side of angle 30 and this is the adjacent side of 30 degree. So this ratio called the 10. So what is the value of AB? This value is find. And what is the BC? BC is 30 degree, sorry 30, not 30 degree, 30 meter, and 10 30 is 1 upon root 3. Imply that AB is equal to 30 upon root 3. Rationalize the value. So AB is equal to 30 root 3 upon 3, cancel out, so this is 10. So this is the 10 root 3. Here AB is 10 root 3 meter. Answer. Next question is the fifth question. Fifth question is a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. Here this is kite flying at the height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporary. Try to a point on ground. This is the point on ground C. Let the inclination of the string with the ground of 60 degree. The angle is 60 degree between these inclination. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack. Here there is no slack. This is the straight. So let A be the kite. Here A is the kite and the string is tied to point C. Let length of string is AC and angle C is equal to 60 degree. In triangle ABC, take the ratio here, this side and this. So AB upon AC is equal to, this is ratio called the sine, because this is opposite side to angle 60 and this is the hypotenuse. So sine 60 degree. What is AB? AB is 60. This is AC. What is the sine 60? Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. Imply that AC is equal to, take the cross multiply, 60 into 2 upon root 3. Rationalize the value. So AC is equal to 60 into 2 into root 3 upon 3. So this cancel. This is 20. Here. So AC is equal to 40 root 3 meter. You will also put the value root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. So approximately. Next question. The fifth question. Sorry, next question is sixth question. Fifth also solved. Sixth question is a 1.5 meter tall boy, height of boy is 1.5 meter, is standing at some distance from 30 meter tall building. The height of building is 30 meter and boy standing here. Height of boy is 1.5 meter. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of building increase from 30 degree and 60 degree. As the walk towards the building, the boy is to walk in towards the building, so angle is 30 degree and 60 degree. Find the distance he walked towards the building. That means this distance will be find here. Let boy was standing at point P. Let this point P, here boy is standing initially. In this point is initially point. He walked towards the building and reached at point Q. We will find the value of PQ. Here we will find the value of PQ. Here angle C is 30 degree, angle D is 60 degree, and PC, this is PC, height of boy is 1.5, this and this also equal, and AB is 30 meter. Now solving in triangle AEC, AEC, these complete a triangle. Take the ratio of this side and this side. So this is AE upon CE. This ratio is 10. Angle is 30 degree. Imply that what is AE value here? Find AE. AB minus BE, because the total height is AB and this is DE minus. So 30 minus 1.5. So here remove the point. So this is 10. 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15. So complete LCM is 57 upon 2 meter. So put the value of AB is 57 upon 2 into EC is EC is equal to 10, 30 is 1 upon root 3. So cross multiply. So CE is equal to 57 root 3 upon 2 meter. Now again use the triangle is this triangle. Again in triangle AED, take the ratio this value and this value. So here AE upon DE, this ratio also 10 60 degree. This is the opposite side to angle 60 degree, and this is the adjacent side to angle 60 degree. So this is 10. Imply that here value of A is 57 upon 2 into this is DE, same, is equal to 10 60 is root 3. So cross multiplying the value, (57) upon 2 root 3 is equal to DE. Rationalize the value here. So 57 root 3 upon 6 is equal to D. Here find the value of CD. So what is the CD? Now what is CD? CD is CE minus DE. CE minus DE. Here what is the CD? CD is the CE minus DE. So this is CD. Put the value CE. Value of CE is 57 root 3 sorry 57 root 3 upon 2. This is minus 57 upon root 3 upon 6. Take LCM. LCM is 6. So this is 2 times 3 into 57 root 3 minus 57 root 3. So subtract here. So 1 time minus 2. This is 3 into 57 root 3 minus minus is 57 root 3 minus 1 upon 6. So this is 57 root 3 into 2 upon 6. So divide here. So this is 3. So 3 divide here. 3 1 ja 3, 3 9 ja 27. So CD is equal to 19 root 3 meter. Answer. Next question is 7th question. We will discuss this question next lecture. Homework is to solve some question in examples. Thank you. Videos, long videos. So we will discuss this question next lecture.